So I see these challenges of the past. Past तो पूरा change होगा. इंडिया में formal education system, if you ask me, I can only use one word to describe it: outdated, irrelevant, criminally inefficient. भारत की आज की जरूरतें और कल की जरूरतों को ये सिस्टम पूरा नहीं कर सकता. You know which is the best university in India? Any guesses? Which university do I personally rate as the best university of India? Any guesses? Make a guess. I personally rate the Indian industry as the best university in India. You know why? क्या आता है बच्चे को जब वो बाहर निकलता है ग्रेजुएशन या पीजी करके? कुछ नहीं. इंडस्ट्री सिखाती है सब उसको. इन्फोसिस का एग्जांपल ले लीजिए. 30,000 लोगों को रिक्रूट करते हैं, मैसूर ले जाते हैं, अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी में बिठाते हैं, बड़े बड़े हॉल्स हैं, सामने स्क्रीन पे वीडियो चल रहा है, 6 महीने तक बच्चा ये सीखता है वहां जाके. These are engineers, full-fledged engineers, and Infosys is spending hundreds of crores of rupees just on retraining them, because without that they are of no use. They have not been taught anything in the 4 years of engineering which is relevant to the needs of Infosys today. Why can't our universities do a better job? Because of legacy factors, the way they have been managed for 60 years, it needs to change. But even simple staff will find it difficult because vested interests are too strong, and the change will demand transparency, efficiency, aggression, which in education are considered bad words. I don't know, but that's what my overall experience has been. मेरे पूरे अनुभव का जो निचोड़ है वो ये है. I am optimistic because I am a person who can change with time. मैंने पिछले 17 सालों में जो कुछ सीखा उसने मुझे यहाँ तक पहुँचाया. लेकिन मैं अपनी टीम को हमेशा एक चीज़ कहता हूँ, अगले 17 साल पिछले 17 सालों से बिल्कुल अलग होने वाला है. नई चीज़ें सीखो, सारी नई टेक्नोलॉजी सीख लो. हमने हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन में ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी यूज की है, बड़े बड़े आईटी कंपनी के लोग आके बोलते हैं तुम लोग ये कर रहे हो. हमने हमारे सारे बिजनेस स्कूल्स को वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग से लिंक करके रखा है. आज सुबह मैं लेक्चर लेके आया, मेरा लेक्चर लाइव चल रहा था, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग से बाकी चारों 20 स्कूल्स में रिले हो रहा था. 2-वे ऑडियो वीडियो कम्युनिकेशन. बच्चा कुछ भी पूछ सकता है मुझसे. थ्योरी में ये हर कोई कर रहा है, प्रैक्टिस में कितने लोग कर पाते हैं? बहुत कम, क्योंकि एक्चुअल इश्यूज बहुत है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल इश्यूज अभी भी. वी हैव ऑलरेडी इंप्लीमेंटेड दैट टेक्नोलॉजी and we are doing it for more than 3 years now. We have already done it. I am a big votary of technology in education, but my worry is at large the industry is not accepting it and it's very slow in changing. और इंडिया का जो डेमोग्राफिक प्रोफाइल है, हमारे यहाँ जो पॉवर्टी का सिनेरियो है, there can be a very huge, अब मैं डेंजर बता दूं इस पूरे बड़ी बड़ी बातों के पीछे, अगले 10 साल में there can be a huge backlash against privatization in education. If someone who has a deep socialist belief becomes the prime minister, he or she can completely overturn all the policies of privatization overnight. Because हमारे यहाँ की गरीबी एक इतना बड़ा गैप क्रिएट कर देती है हैव्स और हैव नॉट्स के बीच, और एजुकेशन एक पॉलिटिकली इतना सेंसिटिव टॉपिक हो जाता है कि वो बड़ा रिच रिवॉर्डिंग है पॉलिटिशियंस के लिए. ये बहुत बड़ा खतरा हमेशा रहेगा, और शायद इसीलिए हम सब लोगों ने अपने अपने वायर मीडिया बना रखे हैं, पूरा इंटेलिजेंट तरीके से कंपनीज को स्ट्रक्चर करके रखा हुआ है. इट वॉज अ ग्रेट प्लेजर टॉकिंग अबाउट माई स्टोरी विद ऑल ऑफ यू. बोलने के लिए और बहुत कुछ है, टाइम लिमिटेड है. Before Satya comes over and shares his beautiful story, we have known each other for a very long time since we started our journeys. Before I request him to come here, I will invite questions and both of us will be ready for all your questions, which hopefully we will be able to answer. That's the best way we can add value to anything and everything that you might want to ask. Thank you so much.
Sandeep, this is not a question, but a rejoinder to the scarecrow that you presented. Should I go ahead?
Absolutely.
Sandeep, they projected a scarecrow. If any politician, the socialistic viewpoint, comes to rule the world, what will happen to the trend of education that is gone privatized, and people like you who have created your own space in this domain, perhaps it will be smashed. Let me assuage the feeling. You see, I am a man who started his career in academics, but an entrepreneur by compulsion and by choice for the last 35 years. let me tell you, if the time for an idea has come, no force on earth can stop its forward march. Thank you.
I believe if I have understood it right, he has talked about whether socialism can adversely or positively affect the onward march of education as we know it, and what will happen to privatization and the space that entrepreneurs like us have created. Is that so? Am I right? And
Actually, in fact, I wanted to tell you, if you are delivering a good product,
it will continue to be delivered.
by whatever means, private or public,
Correct.
public will appreciate, politicians will appreciate, despite the ideological bandwagon.
Absolutely. Very good point, sir. And that's the reason we exist today, right? Otherwise, we would have been banned by the government of India already. But we exist. That's why. And that's why the government puts service tax on us, because they know that they are going to be big sources of income for us. So they have legitimized us anyway.